Hello, this is Julia and the Space Daily News channel. NASA reported on the successful testing of a robotic balloon, a larger version of which will go to Venus, in the program to study its atmosphere and surface. Test site was the Black Rock Desert in Nevada. The agency's engineers have confirmed that the balloon will be able to control its altitude above the surface of Venus in its inhospitable atmosphere. During the tests, the prototype aerobot took the sky twice without any problems. The balloon traveled 1 kilometer over the desert, where the conditions roughly correspond to the conditions at an altitude of 55 kilometers above the surface of Venus. For an orbiter, this is too low an orbit, but the balloon will be able to remain at this altitude for weeks or even months, during which scientists will be able to obtain sufficient information. In addition, it is assumed that the aerobot will be able to vary its altitude in the range from 52 to 62 kilometers above the surface of the planet. It's assumed that the full-size version of the probe will be a 12-meter blimp, which will work in tandem with the orbiting vehicle acting as a repeater. The prototype was built by engineers at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, together with scientists from the private company Near Space Corporation. Preparation of the device for the mission to Venus is extremely difficult. The high pressure and high temperature and the atmosphere consisting of carbon dioxide and nitrogen can disable the device in just a few hours. But scientists expect that a relatively high altitude aerobot will be able to safely navigate and carry out its research mission. A similar project to explore Venus using balloons has already been carried out in 1984 and 1986. At that time, the Soviet vehicles Vega 1 and Vega 2, with a diameter of 3.6 meters, were launched into the atmosphere of Venus. They successfully operated for 46 hours before their power sources were discharged. Now, the scientists expect the larger balloon will work at least 100 days. During this time, scientists hope to monitor Venera quakes and study the composition of clouds in its atmosphere. This was Space Daily News. Like, share and subscribe.